Superfood Evolution presents Health Benefits of Pumpkin Seeds. Are they high in zinc and good for the prostate? Pumpkin seeds are the edible olive green seeds produced by the pumpkin, a type of squash cultivar. Also known by their Spanish name, pepitas, the pumpkin and its seeds have been utilized for centuries by cultures of North and South America as a dietary food source and for their medicinal attributes. The pumpkin is believed to be one of the oldest domesticated squash species, which occurred about 10,000 years ago in Oaxaca, Mexico. Evidence suggests that squashes, like pumpkin, were cultivated even before the two sister crops, maize and beans. Different pumpkin varieties have seeds of varying sizes and textures. Most, however, have a similar, subtly sweet, nutty flavor. As far as the list of nuts and seeds goes, pumpkin seeds are not considered a high-risk food allergen. They are also slightly less acidic than other types. Included along with sunflower seed and flax, they are likewise an approved plant-based protein and fat staple when restoring healthy gut bacteria. What are pumpkin seeds? The main variety of pumpkin most frequently grown for its seeds is the Cucurbita pepo species, yielding types of winter squash as well as summer squash subspecies. Cucurbita pepo comes from the genus Cucurbita or gourd family, which also includes the major squash plant species like Cucurbita maxima and Cucurbita muscata. When pumpkins are cut open, the seeds are wrapped up in stringy orange pulp, but can be easily scooped out and separated. The actual smooth, flat green kernel is enclosed within a thin off-white shell or hull. Commercial seeds are commonly sold with the shell removed. What are heirloom Austrian pumpkin seeds? An increasingly popular variety of pumpkin seeds comes from an Austrian Cucurbita pepo subspecies called the Styrian pumpkin. The pumpkin itself is a striped green and orange color. Austrian pumpkin seeds are hull-less or naked-seeded and grow directly inside the pumpkin, producing larger, dark green seeds that have a thick, dense texture. They are believed to have a superior nutritional profile compared to other types. Although originally developed in Austria's Styria province, these pumpkins do grow in other squash-conducive climate zones. The Styrian pumpkin is primarily grown and harvested for its seeds, as the pulp is less palatable. Health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Are they high in zinc and good for the prostate? One of the claimed health benefits of pumpkin seeds is that they contain high amounts of the prostate-supporting mineral zinc. Natural dietary sources of zinc are known to be nourishing to the male prostate, a gland which holds the highest concentration of zinc in the body. Pumpkin seeds are therefore an often recommended food for men's prostate support, especially for middle-aged males. Decreased levels of zinc have been associated with increased risk of prostate carcinoma. Zinc is also a primary antioxidant nutrient required for many enzymatic activities, as well as assisting in a host of other functions such as energy metabolism, immune response, tissue growth, and repair. The recommended daily allowance for zinc is 8 mg a day for adult females and 11 mg a day for adult men. This amount, however, can be lower or higher depending on one's age, diet, and health conditions. Pumpkin seeds and zinc content. It's true that the kernels do contain a greater ratio of zinc than other plant-based sources. About 1 ounce or 28 grams of raw pumpkin seeds, according to nutritional data, is reported to have about 2.1 milligrams of zinc, or about 14% of the daily value based on a 2,000-calorie diet. However, when compared to other nut and seed selections, they are not top on the list for the zinc mineral. We discovered by comparison that hemp seeds are actually much higher in zinc, at about 5 milligrams per ounce, or about 34% of the daily value. Sesame seeds also appear to be comparable to pumpkin seeds. Quality may play an important factor, as the amount of zinc in some organic Austrian pumpkin seeds as listed on nutrition fact labels, is about 19% daily value per ounce serving, which is closer to that of hemp seeds. High in magnesium and source of plant-based protein. Pumpkin seeds are a relatively good source of zinc, but what they are really high in is magnesium. A 1 ounce serving of raw pumpkin seeds contains approximately 150 milligrams of magnesium, or 37% of the daily value based on a 2,000 calorie diet. It is estimated that almost 2/3 of the population in the Western world is not achieving the recommended daily allowance for magnesium, a mineral deficiency of which is associated with certain health disorders. Adequate dietary intake is studied beneficial, not only for heart health, but also for managing diabetes, calcium absorption, bone formation, and shown useful for relieving hypertension, anxiety, migraines, and PMS. Higher in protein content. Likewise, one of the benefits of pumpkin seeds is that they are also a protein-rich variety, containing approximately 6.9 grams per ounce serving. They are not quite as high as hemp seeds at 10.3 grams per ounce, but they are top on the list when compared to other nut and seed selections. Research on pumpkin seeds and oils and prostate-supporting compounds. In traditional folk medicine, pumpkin seeds were used as a remedy for various conditions of the urinary system in addition to the prostate. Two of the major components investigated are cucurbitacin and cucurbitacin E. Cucurbitacin is standardized for most seed extracts, and cucurbitacin E is an anti-inflammatory and triterpene common to pumpkin and gourd species. In an earlier study, pumpkin seed extracts containing the pumpkin seed-derived compound curbicin showed usefulness for issues like benign prostatic hyperplasia, an age-related prostate enlargement condition that can cause difficulty with urination. Likewise, in a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial on middle-aged men, pumpkin seed oil was used in combination with saw palmetto oil and again demonstrated to be helpful for BPH. The actual pumpkin seeds in another 12-month study were identified to have medicinal potential and led to a clinically relevant reduction in IPSS, International Prostate Symptom Score, compared with the placebo. Other evidence additionally indicates that pumpkin seeds and its pressed oils also contain constituents that can prevent the body from converting testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, which can contribute to prostate enlargement. In some research, pumpkin seed oil supplementation over a 24-week period was shown to have a positive anabolic outcome for men with mild to moderate male androgenic alopecia or male pattern baldness. According to some reports, this is due to certain lignans as well as phytosterols found in pumpkin seeds like beta-cytosterol. These compounds are not only believed to be helpful for men, but pumpkin seeds and oils are also a source of phytoestrogens, which can also offer benefit to postmenopausal women. Traditional food for intestinal parasites. One of the less known but traditional folk uses of pumpkin seeds is their influence as an anti-parasitic food source. The cucurbitacin compound, as well as cucurbitacin B, cucurmosin, other saponins, and antimicrobial lignans like pinoresinol, medioresinol, and larissaresinol are believed to be some of the components responsible for the seed's anthelmintic or parasite-killing properties. Cucurbitacin, according to sources, causes degenerative changes in the reproductive organs of parasitic flatworms called flukes. The benefits of pumpkin seeds and their extracts have been studied effective as a dietary treatment for parasitical conditions and were shown to be helpful in the control of gastrointestinal nematode parasite infections. In one human study, pumpkin seed extracts treated a woman carrying a pork tapeworm known as T. solium. According to some research, they were able to expel canine tapeworms and other intestinal parasites. Higher nutritional value in raw, unroasted pumpkin seeds. It is best to go for pumpkin seeds in their raw state as opposed to roasted. which according to nutrition data has less protein and over half the amount of magnesium. Nutrition data of roasted pumpkin seeds without salt contains about 5.2 grams of protein, 1.7 grams less protein than raw seeds, and 73.4 milligrams of magnesium, about 77 milligrams less than raw and unroasted. Other nutritional benefits of pumpkin seeds. Pepitas, or pumpkin seeds, are naturally high in manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, copper, vitamin K, zinc, and potassium. They are also a source of calcium, selenium, B vitamins, and the antioxidants vitamin E and beta-carotene. Contains good amounts of tryptophan. Pumpkin and squash seeds are considered a good plant-based source of the amino acid tryptophan, which the body converts to serotonin and then melatonin, the sleep hormone. At 121 milligrams per ounce of dried raw seeds, it is slightly higher than other seed or nut varieties. How to use. Raw, shelled pumpkin seeds can of course be eaten straight as a snack food. For optimal nutritional uptake, sometimes it is best to soak the seeds in water and strain out the digestive enzyme inhibitors like phytic acid. This process will help to break down protein and nutrient content and make them more bioavailable. Pumpkin seeds are also available as a pre-sprouted or pre-soaked variety. We utilize soaked and strained pumpkin seeds blended into shakes or nut milks, processed for seed cheeses, pâtés, and pestos, used in dehydrated cracker recipes or granola, or dehydrated whole as a crunchy snack or marinated with spices. For more information about pumpkin seed oil, please visit our website link above. Precautions. Avoid pumpkin seeds if you have allergies to members of the squash family. Consult your healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet if you are pregnant, nursing, have a serious medical condition, or are taking prescribed medications. Thanks for watching. As always, for additional in-depth information as well as the best sources of all things pumpkin seeds, be sure and investigate the links in the description box below this video. Please support us with a thumbs up if you found it useful. And be sure and check out these other informational videos.